October 9th, Saint Dionysius, Bishop and companions, martyrs. Saint Denis, as one of the 14 holy helpers, is invoked against diabolical possession. The flourishing Church of Gaul in present-day France suffered terribly under the persecution of Emperor Decius. Pope Fabian sent the Italian-born Denis and other missionary bishops to encourage and restore the faith there. He and 2 inseparable companions, the priest Rusticus and Eleutherius, a deacon, arrived in the neighborhood of Paris and settled on the island of the Seine River. On this island, Bishop Denis set out about building a church. His fearless and tireless preaching made many converts, but also excited the anger and envy of the heathen priest. Inciting the people against the new preachers, the heathen priest prevailed upon the governor to forcibly put a stop to their teaching. The bishop and 2 of his companions were seized, tortured, and then beheaded. Legend has it that Saint Denis' body stood up and before the astonished onlookers, picked up his head and walked 6 miles. At the burial site of the 3 martyrs, a small shrine was erected, later to be replaced by a great basilica which became the burial place of the French kings. Along with being the patron saint of possessed people, he is also invoked against frenzy and strife, for headaches, and rabies. His feast was added to the Roman calendar in the year 1568 by Pope St. Pius V, though it had been celebrated since the year 800.